On today's video, we're going to show you how to get the eggs and put them in the incubator. Come on. Looks like one of them is probably laying down. So this is the next boxes. But the only ones we want is the Orpington ones. And how we tell the difference are the big ones. So this is an Orpington. This, I don't think it is. Or it might be. But we want to get the Orpingtons because we had a really nice chicken named Hey Hey. But he died, and all we have is Moana. And that's our only golden laced Orpington left. So these are probably all of the golden laced Orpingtons. So we're gonna put them in the incubator, and we'll see how long it takes them to hatch. It takes 21 days to let chicken eggs hatch. So we're gonna see if that takes them how long, and hopefully we get some chicks. So we're gonna go play with the baby goats because two out of 4 of them are gonna leave this weekend. So we're gonna go and play with them. Come on, and we're going to get more eggs. Maybe. Sometimes chickens lay the eggs in here. We got goats. They're all over us. So, Cheese Puff and Smile, that one and that one are the 2 that are leaving this weekend. So these 2 are gonna stay with us. Tilly, she's gonna stay, but Pepper, he's gonna get sold someday. So Tilly, she's staying with us. This one right here is Tilly. Doing? They love to play. They like to play a lot. She's going down the slide. We're not. She's going down the slide, actually. Go and catch her. Yep. Better than Tilly did. So. Yeah. This thing falls down sometimes. I saved Cheese Puff. This fell down. And I heard her scream, and we were down playing basketball. And then this fell down on her, and I ran up and lifted it up, and she ran out. So I saved her. Stop eating my butt. So these are the eggs that we've collected for the week. There's 16 eggs total, and we're going to put them into the incubator for 21 days and see what happens. So hopefully have a lot of luck. These are our chicks. We only hatched 2, but we ordered some golden laced Orpingtons in the mail, and the 2 that we hatched are silver laced Orpingtons. So I'm going to hold them. Oh, you're climbing my arm. There. These 2, I think, are brothers or sisters. Brothers and sisters, brothers and brothers, or sisters and sisters. Yeah, so we ordered some and we hatched them. So we didn't hatch a lot, but we hatched 2. So bye. That's how we get to get the chicks. Bye. See you in the next video. If you like me and Jase's videos, check out our page, hit the subscribe button, hit a thumbs up, and put on your notifications. And we'll see you at the next video. Bye.